If you ever need to insert a trademark symbol in Adobe Photoshop, there's a super easy method that gives you a clean result in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to find and add the trademark symbol using the Glyphs panel, so you can place it exactly where you want it, without guessing, copying and pasting, or searching the internet for the character every time. This is especially helpful if you're designing logos, product mockups, social media graphics, or any project where you want that professional finishing touch. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Photoshop project and select the Type tool by pressing T on your keyboard, or by clicking the Type tool from the toolbar on the left. Once the Type tool is active, click on your canvas where you want the trademark symbol to appear. This creates a text layer and gives you a place to insert the symbol. Now, at the top menu in Photoshop, go to Window and then choose Glyphs. This opens the Glyphs panel, which is where Photoshop stores special characters, symbols, and alternate letter forms. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, it should appear as a floating panel on your screen. Next, look at the top of the Glyphs panel. You'll see a drop-down menu that usually defaults to Entire Font. Click that drop-down and change it to Symbols. This step is important because it filters the panel down to only symbol characters, making it much easier to find what you need. Instead of scrolling through a massive grid of letters and glyphs, you'll now see a much smaller selection focused on special symbols. Once the panel is filtered, scan the grid until you spot the trademark symbol. It usually looks like a small TM-style character, and once you find it, just double-click it. Photoshop will automatically insert the trademark symbol into your text at the cursor position. If needed, you can then use the Move tool or adjust your text settings to position it neatly with your design. And that's it! You've successfully inserted a trademark symbol in Adobe Photoshop using the easiest and cleanest method. This technique is fast, reliable, and perfect for anyone who wants more control over special characters inside their designs. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, design tips, and time-saving tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.